Yo, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. Today, guys, I got some awesome deals coming at you when it comes to televisions. I'm just going to be focusing mainly on Best Buy's website for this video. I'm probably going to be making some more videos in a little bit and uploading them to the channel, some last-minute Black Friday deals. So, guys, today I'm just coming at you with some amazing Best Buy deals because Best Buy is always known for their television sales on Black Friday. So, starting off on this list, we have a TCL 65-inch LED 4 Series 4K UHD TV with HDR, and most TCL TVs always come with Roku built in. Great streaming service, have all your apps you need, everything you want, and we're looking at only $399 for a 65-inch 4K TV. These size TVs usually back in the day would sell for around $1,500 roughly, and it's crazy to see them come down in this price. So you're getting all the specs you want on a high-end TV at a really low price point here for TCL. TCL is one of the 3 TVs I would recommend, and probably one of the 4. I'd say Vizio, TCL, Samsung, LG. Look for those TVs. Other brands I wouldn't focus on as much. So moving on, we have another deal on Best Buy, Insignia 58-inch. That's kind of a strange screen size. However, this is made by Insignia. This is Best Buy specific brand, and the reason I picked this was because, one, it was 4K with HDR, and it's a Fire TV edition, so this is made by Amazon's software. Their Fire Stick, whatever, their streaming service. Got every service you want here, all the apps you want for streaming and whatnot. Great TV. And so 58-inch, so it's pretty large in size. And with this, you also get a free Echo Dot 3rd Gen, which is, it's a plus. I mean, that's fine. If you're looking to get another Echo Dot and have a voice assistant in your home, that's awesome as well. So only $199. That's why I picked this TV. It's incredibly cheap. Moving on. I mean, you can't beat that deal. Okay, so next I'm coming at you with a Samsung 70-inch, so massive screen size. This is their 6 Series 4K UHD with HDR. This is their standard like LED. This is kind of like their budget model. It's not there at the level of QLED. QLED's their like upper model in their 4K TV series. So 70-inch 4K HDR, only $550. You're saving $350 on this TV. You cannot beat that for a Samsung TV. Moving on, LG, another great company. I've had my eye on this TV for a long time. It's 55 inches, so you're in that like mid-range size. It's not too big, it's not too small. I think this is great for like a family room or whatnot. Only $299. You're saving $100 here, and you also get 40% off your first 2 months of Sling TV. If you guys are into Sling TV, go check that out. But LG makes great products, and this is another great 4K TV by them. This is their budget model, 4K UHD, HDR built in. Can't beat it, and it has LG's interface built in, which is, they actually have a really nice interface. So last one on the list, we have Samsung 75-inch, so biggest one on this list, absolutely massive. Their LED series, 2160p, UHD with HDR, coming in at $750, and you also get this deal with Sling and whatnot. This is a massive TV, and I'm shocked this is under $1,000 for a 75-inch 4K UHD Samsung device. It's Samsung, so you know you're getting a great deal. So, guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button. Comment down below what other deals you want me to check out for Black Friday. Also, guys, if you haven't checked out the Life Made Easy podcast, that's always linked down below. Go check that out and go give me a follow there. And you go also follow me on Twitter at Life Made Easy podcast. You guys want to listen to some awesome discussions on technology. We're open to suggestions on that, and we're interested to see you guys' feedback on that. So go give it a listen. It's really entertaining, and I highly recommend it. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell notification. See you guys in the next upcoming Life Made Easy video.